how to change your Google account or Gmail account password just on your PC or on your mobile phone also. The steps will be same. For PC, I will click on my Google accounts or open the Google Chrome here, and in the Google account section on the left you will see a security option on the fourth, and here you have to scroll down, and yes, how to sign in, the second option is password. Once you will click it, it will demand for your current password. You have to enter it. After you will enter it, it will let you log into your account, and after that you have to enter a new strong password on your account to create a new password. Like, you have to enter the new password, then again you have to confirm the new password. After that you will click on the change password button, and yes, the password change is successful. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more technical reviews, updates and videos like this. Keep watching, keep loving.